Okay, we've let this set up. So we can glue the other side on now. We got our mark where we want to put it. So we'll glue this down, let it set overnight so it sets up real good. Then we'll be ready to mark it out, sand it down, and start carving on it. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. And if you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So you're going to be careful when you're clamping this down so it doesn't slide around on you, because it does tend to do that. Make sure you get this set before you clamp it down tight. So we'll finish clamping that down, we'll set it aside, and then we'll come on to the next step. Thanks for watching.